How to reset Outlook password. Hello everyone, welcome back to our channel. If you're confused about how to reset your Outlook or Hotmail password, you're in the right place. Today in this video, I'll walk you through this exact step to recover your Outlook account in 2025. Make sure you stick around until the end to learn everything you need to know. Let's get started. First, open up your web browser and type in outlook.com. This will take you to the Outlook homepage. Once you're on the Outlook website, look for the sign in button at the top right corner of your page. Go ahead and click on that. Now, you'll be prompted to enter email address, phone number, or Skype ID that you used to create your account. Simply tap that and then click on next. If you have forgotten your password, click on forgot password link. This will guide you through the necessary recovery process. You will be given several options to verify your identity. Now, this could be through a code sent to your registered phone number or email. Choose your preferred method and follow on screen instructions. Once you have verified your identity, you will be able to create a new password. Make sure it's strong and secure. After entering your new password, click on Next to complete the process. And that's it, you have successfully reset your Outlook password. If you found this video helpful, please give this video a thumbs up, subscribe to our channel, and I'll see you in the next video.